Hey, I'm Claire from Kilted English. You might know me from the Scottish English podcast, but I am also an English language teacher. And I specialise in helping students get beyond upper intermediate level to advanced. And I help lots of students prepare for the C1 Advanced Cambridge English exam. And I'm going to start sharing videos which will help you do the same. I'll keep posting my Scottish English podcast videos on Mondays, and my C1 Advanced content will be out every Thursday. But what is the C1 Advanced exam? Who is it for? Why do people take it? And what does it even look like? Well, you're in the right place. Today, I'll break down everything you need to know about this exam in a clear and friendly way. Let's get started. What is the C1 Advanced exam? The C1 Advanced exam, which used to be called CAE or Cambridge English Advanced, and many people still call it that, is a high-level English language qualification from Cambridge Assessment English. It's designed to prove your ability to use English confidently in academic and professional contexts, and is recognised by thousands of universities and employers around the world. The C1 Advanced Cambridge English exam checks your level. It checks if your English is at the C1 level, the second highest on the Common European Framework of Reference for Languages, or the CEFR. It has global recognition. Over 9,000 educational institutions, employers, and governments accept it as proof of advanced English ability. It gives you a lifelong qualification. Once you pass, your certificate never expires. So who is it for? The C1 Advanced is ideal if you want to study at an English-speaking university, or you need an official English certificate for jobs or professional development, or if you aim to work or live in an English-speaking country, or just want to challenge yourself and prove your skills. It suits learners who can confidently use English in most situations, from discussions to complex texts and professional emails. So why take it? There are three big reasons. The first one is university admissions. Many universities in the UK, the EU, Australia, Canada, and the US accept it for entry requirements. It's great for a career boost. Employers value it as evidence of high-level English, the kind needed for business, communication, and international roles. It's also useful for visa applications. The exam is accepted by migration and visa authorities in several countries. So, what does the exam look like? The C1 Advanced exam covers all English skills: reading, writing, listening, and speaking. Here's how it works. You have 4 papers. Paper 1, reading and use of English. This paper takes an hour and a half. You have 8 parts, and it tests you on your reading, vocabulary, and grammar. It's 40% of the total score. Paper 2, writing. This paper also takes 1.5 hours. You have to complete 2 pieces of writing. One is an essay, and the other piece is a choice from 3 options, and they could be an email or a letter, a report, a proposal, or a review. This paper is 20% of your total score. Paper 3, listening. This paper takes roughly 40 minutes. You have 4 parts, and it's testing you on your understanding of spoken English in many different situations. This paper is 20% of your score. And finally, paper 4, speaking. This paper takes roughly 15 minutes. You have 4 parts, and you will take this paper with another candidate. Here, you're being tested on your ability to respond in English to your partner and the examiner. This paper is 20% of your total score. You'll do the reading, writing, and listening papers together in one session. Your speaking paper may be on a different day. And did you know that you can take the exam on paper or on the computer? The content is identical. And here are some extra facts about the C1 Advanced exam. The exam lasts about 4 hours in total. When you pass, you receive a grade A, B or C. If you get grade A, your certificate will say that you demonstrated ability at level C2. If your score is a little below C1, you may still receive a B2 certificate. Your certificate never expires, but organisations such as universities, colleges and employers can choose how long to accept your results for. So make sure you always check with their requirements. The test is updated regularly to reflect the latest language and assessment research. Join the C1 Superstars. If you want more detailed exam strategies, targeted practice and a supportive community, check out my online course and community, C1 Superstars. No hype, just clear lessons, expert feedback and a group of English learners who are as motivated as you are. Find out more in the description. Have you got more questions about the C1 Advanced exam? Drop them in the comments, and if you're planning to take the exam, hit subscribe for more expert tips and motivation. Remember, with the right prep, you can smash this exam. See you in the next video.